Hey, what's up beauties? Wagwan, welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how I did this faux locks look on myself. I've never worn faux locks before, but I've always liked the style and would really want to rock it. And after watching a ton of YouTube videos, I thought I would do it this way in my hair. So I got all my supplies from Amazon. I got the styrofoam wig head or mannequin head to make my wig on, and I got this oval part crochet wig that is perfect for making wigs, especially for the style that I'm going for. If you notice, the wig cap has some combs on it to grip the hair or to keep it in place on your head. The hair that I bought, I wanted some color because I'm always wearing my black hair, so I wanted something different. I'm sure a lot of you can relate of wanting some color in your hair or something different. And so I purchased blue. I thought I would go with blue hair. I got this on Amazon for about $34, I think, and it came with 7 packs of hair. Each pack has 16 locks. And I also got the crochet tool free inside that package. So let me just lay out all the hairs and let's get started on this look. So first off, I'm gonna put the wig cap on the mannequin head. And I can tell from just putting it on the mannequin that it's gonna be a little big, but somehow I hope it works. Because if you notice, it's all the way down to the eyes of the mannequin, and that's not where I'm gonna wear it on my head, but let's see how this goes. I started off putting the hairs all around the perimeter of the wig, and this is how I did it. I opened the loop on the faux lock, and then I used my crochet tool to go underneath and back up top, and then just poke the hair in the loop and pull it through. After I pull it through, I put the other end of the hair through the loop and pull it to tighten it on the wig cap. If you were putting it directly in your hair, this would be the same method that you would use. So here, let's do another one. Pull it through, and then just pull the other end of the hair or the lock through the loop and pull to tighten. So I basically did this all over the wig cap until most of it was covered with the locks, and then I just went through and started putting the hair in the areas that were looking sparse. I made sure that I went around the sides and the back before I started filling up the middle, as you can see here. Here we go again. I'm showing you how I put the hair onto the wig cap, pull it through one of those little holes, then take the other end of the hair, put it through the loop and pull it to tighten. That's how I did it repeatedly until the wig cap was covered with the faux locks. And then I just looked for spaces like this space right here. Any part of the wig cap that looked empty, I just went in and put more hair. As I said before, I got 7 packs of hair. I used 6 on the wig cap. I left 1 pack without using it on the wig cap, and you'll see why later. If you're watching my video, I just want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. And if you make it to the end of this video, just give me a like if you like the video or a thumbs up. And I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel so I can grow and be encouraged to post more content. So this is the wig cap after I finished putting on the 6 packs of hair. Guess what time it is? It's time to put that wig cap to the test. I'm gonna put it on my head, and if you notice, I have decent length hair, and this is why I chose this method to do it myself. So I'm going to part that section out at the top and just put it away. If you remember, the wig cap that I bought is an oval part cap, so there's gonna be an empty space at the top of the cap. That is why I parted out that part of my hair. So I started off with braiding the sides. It doesn't have to be neat. You don't have to be an experienced braider. You just want to put your hair up in braids to wear underneath the wig cap. So I braided all around that little part that I sectioned off, and now I'm gonna start with that part. I'm gonna section it into 3 parts and show you how I prepared this part to install my wig. So let's put away 2 of these parts and just start working on one. For this section, you're gonna need some elastic bands. That will make your job way much easier. Let's now start parting little sections and secure them with an elastic band. So wrap it around as tight as you want and just part the hair in 2 and pull it so that the elastic will be as tight as possible. Or if you don't want it to be too tight, then you don't have to do that. We're gonna continue with the second part in that row. Same thing, but you're gonna take the end of the first one and put it in the second one and then secure it with the elastic band. And as usual, once I'm finished wrapping the elastic, I pull to tighten. Now we're gonna take the end of those 2 and put it in the third one and secure it together, and then we're just gonna braid the end out. Because we want everything to be braided so we can easily secure it under the crochet wig. This is what it looks like when it's finished. It's nowhere neat, but that's not a problem. Now you're gonna need some bobby pins, and if you notice, I put all the hairs together and braid them in 2, and now I'm securing those 2 hairs with bobby pins on top of my head. So now that I've secured the natural hair, it's time to test this wig out. I'm excited, you guys, to see what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna start putting it on from the back. And here we go. So I'm just gonna take that comb clip in the back and stick it in my hair at the back. And then I just put everything over towards the back. There's a comb right there at the top that I'm securing in place as well. But after doing it, I realized that it's easier to do the side ones first, and then that one will fall into place and you can just secure it. So I'm attaching the side clips. The next one, and then I can secure that top clip. So now we have the wig on. The next thing to do is to finish up that top so it looks uniform, or it matches the wig, or it's gonna appear as if I'm wearing my full head of faux locks that was done separately or individually. Not bad for my first time, right? Okay, so here's the faux locks. It's the same procedure that I used when putting them onto the crochet wig cap. I'm gonna use my crochet tool and push it through my hair, and then hook the faux lock and pull it through. Now I'm gonna take the other end, put it through the loop, and pull it to tighten it onto my natural hair. Same procedure as attaching the hairs to the wig cap. Now let me show you how I did it again. Push it through my natural hair at the root behind that elastic band, hook the faux lock in the loop and pull it through. Then take the other end, put it through the loop and pull to tighten. basically did that through all the hairs that I prepared with the elastic band until it was finished. And at the end of it, I did not use all the faux locks that I left in the one pack. And this is it. When everything is finished, this is what it looks like. And I really like it. It came out so nice. It's such an easy way to do faux locks. It takes less time than doing your whole hair, like the front part, I think. And I really liked it. It's my first time and I'll definitely be doing this again. And from my experience this time, I see improvements that I can make, because next time I'll do my whole hair front with the elastic band so that it looks more natural. But not bad. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe.